Our soils play a key role in the culture and heritage of Scotland. In this video, we hear why our soil matters from a cultural perspective.
My name is Paul Adderley. I'm an academic at the University of Stirling. My research and my studies extend across the realm of environmental history and the role and use of soils in archaeological contexts and archaeological understandings. Soils are culturally important for many reasons, most obviously for agriculture, but they are also an important cultural artifact of times past. We can study the soil in the same way that we can study an archaeological artifact to understand something about how people lived in times past. That helps us understand how sustainable, how resilient societies were, using and making use of soil as a resource. The idea of soil being a resource for cultural activities has many expressions. It has many ways of being seen. Perhaps the most dramatic in our Scottish landscape are earth-built structures. And today we're stood outside Cotown Schoolhouse here on the Castle of Gowrie, close to the city of Dundee. Soil as a cultural resource was being used here to build Cotown Schoolhouse in the 18th century. Soil was being mixed with stone and with other materials drawn from the landscape, such as straw, to be able to make a mud wall consistency. The people of Devon would know this as cob, here in Scotland commonly referred to as mud wall construction. Amongst the challenges for heritage management, the people who manage the cultural heritage of Scotland, is how to understand these buildings in their present-day settings. The depth of flooding that we see here at Cotown has been immense in recent years, and recent restorative efforts have been trying to diminish this risk to this particular property. These buildings, though, are at risk, particularly of climatic shifts, changes in drainage of the area, and to the physical damage of their structure. They are a precious object within our landscape. And my research group in Stirling has been researching these buildings, not only here in Scotland, but around the world. Soil's being used to make dwelling houses for people, and over a third of the Earth's population presently live in earth-built houses.